Hello friends, this is Janie Backer with Inspired Stamping, and I am coming to share with you some of our new online exclusives that are launching and ready for customer orders starting July 3rd. So if you are shopping with me this month, I appreciate it when you use my online host code. You enter this on the shopping cart page, the top right corner, and that way it connects you and me for your order. But if you are going to order more than $150, you don't need my host code because you will earn host rewards of your own. So just touching base with that, I'm going to stick it over here on the side. So the first product I want to talk to you about is the Potions and Spells bundle, and I'm sharing swap cards tonight from leaders that I've shared card designs with. So this is a cute little crow with the cauldron, and this is by Julie Salva. The next one is by Jane Stoll. She added this so swirly embossing folder. And our next card is also by Jane Stoll. You can see her fun colors, the shimmer paper, and a scary cat. Fun colors. I like the petunia pop and the little sparkle gems that she used on here. Fun products. Okay, so I thought I would start with the Halloween theme first. Got those three. Then the next one is the Greatest Adventure stamp set. And this is a design by Dawn Bourget. She focused on Misty Moonlight in her card. And then Laurie Krause, designed this card. Beautiful grays. Again, that is from the stamp set Greatest Adventure. Okay, so then our next one is a suite, and it is the Season of Green and Gold suite, and I have lots of great cards from this set. Here is Kim Allen's card. This suite has a bundle of stamps and dies, and oops, I'm trying to find it. There it is. Okay. So it is a mega bundle, which includes the Greetings of Season stamp set, Greetings of the Season dies, Golden Greenery stamp set, and Golden Greenery dies. Then we have Season of Green and Gold Specialty Designer Series paper, Graceful Greenery Vellum Specialty Designer Series paper, Very Vanilla 3/4 inch satin ribbon, and Cherry Cobbler and Pearl adhesive backed berries. So you will see those various products in these swap cards. So this is by Dawn Bourget, and she made very nice mats on her card behind her DSP. You can see that this DSP has beautiful gold foil on one side of all the sheets. Some of them are beautiful greeneries, and some of them are white or vanilla with gold. It's a beautiful card by my friend Judy Tuttle. And you can see those beautiful die cuts of greenery. Oh, and this is a great sample to see the ribbon. that vanilla satin ribbon that is 3/4 inch wide. Okay, then we have one by, well, her name went missing. Okay, So Pretty. She die cut this from the DSP. Isn't that beautiful? This is Grateful, comes from one of the, let me go back here, Iconic Imagery stamp set, which we'll see more of. This is Marianne Grimmer. So Pretty. She has gold embossing. She die cut the vellum here, die cut another layer of vellum papers, beautiful ribbon, and beautiful gold embossing inside too. This is Corinne Braxton. She made a Z-fold card with those die cuts from the DSP. That's the clear holly berry embellishment. Beautiful stamping. Laura Milligan, she took this a different color and put Pretty Peacock with the designer series paper. The next designer is Monica. She put a beautiful green, red, real red tag with all of her greenery. And that beautiful ribbon she cut down half size. And a little bell. The next card also has a bell. It's by Joey Hartman. So all of these people have also earned an incentive trip one point in time. We are in a group of trip achievers and we swap cards each time there is a new product. Beautiful card. So these are each demonstrators that work their business full-time, diligently, for that big achievement of the trips. Beautiful dies on this card, and you can see the wood grain, that embossing folder back there. This one goes a whole different color combo. Monica Gibberti again. She went with crumb cake and some petal pink and blackberry bliss with that golden vanilla. Very regal and elegant combo. Joey Hartman again. Beautiful little fancy fold. And then, oh, that card that didn't have a name was Lynn Dunn. This is a Karen Titus card. And a fancy fold. These are sealed down and the middle flap opens. You can see that beautiful metallic, I can't remember what this is called. Let me scroll down here and find it. Gold Mercury Vellum. Very fancy. Corinne Braxton went with very regal, elegant black, vanilla, and gold on this card. So pretty. That die is just stunning, isn't it? With that gold foil. She comes from a family of all sisters like I do, and we had fun connecting with our sister We each had a sister with us in Las Vegas last year that helped us with traveling, and it was fun to chat with them. Okay, this is Janet Holmes. Oh my goodness, I love Janet. Just make the nicest friends with my demonstrator friends on these trips and at leadership events. Sweet card. Okay, so let's go to fall now. And we have beautiful hybrid leaf embossing folder. This is Janice Waitman's design. So we have Blackberry Bliss in Very Vanilla. You can see the beautiful embossing on her card front and her card interior. So pretty. Then Candy Rattray. I think it goes this direction actually. She was using that wild wheat and the embossing, hybrid embossing of those leaves. You can see that they have texture, so it cuts and embosses at the same time. This is Judy Tuttle again. Got a little adhesive loose there. Beautiful pecan pie, early espresso, and pretty petal pink. Those beautiful leaves. So nice. So this is a Lynn Fieldcamp design with those beautiful leaves embossed and the iconic, let me pull that up again, Designer Series paper. Iconic Celebrations Designer Series paper. It has a huge amount of variety of prints in this package. Here is another card that shows beautiful acorns. And look at that, Grateful embossed in white by Laura Milligan. Oh, fun, look how she used the circle cutout to weave her DSP. Such clever ideas. Okay, so the iconic Celebration Suite has the iconic imagery bundle and DSP. There's also white frayed ribbon, which is this ribbon here. This is an Amy Story design. Look at that beautiful cherry cobbler. So pretty. And then it also has these gems. I always have to look them up. Let me be quick and pull it up here. They're called Pecan Pie and Clear Ribboned Adhesive Backed Embellishment. So, oh, there's the camera. I don't know if you can see the little ribbon effect on this. Let me see if it can go closer. Just see there's a little ribbon zigzag line in there. Okay. Anyway, beautiful Cajun Craze fall card with the pumpkins, the leaves stamped and die cut, and paper. Cute leaf. And that was Janice Waitman's design. This goes back to, oh my goodness, this poor gal. She puts her sticker on her envelope and then the envelope slides away. So Iconic Celebrations here again. And this is the little gems that I was talking about. Iconic Celebrations paper. This is a standalone stamp set, and I'm not sure what it is off the top of my head. But another Halloween focal stamp set that comes out tomorrow. And then this is a Janet Holmes card. Cute little easel fold. Happy holidays to you and yours. And she colored that little scene, the tag. So cute. Look at that little snowflake. Marvelous. Okay, well that was everything. So I hope that you enjoy our new online exclusives that start July 3rd. Go to janiebacker.stampinup.net and then you'll go down the right hand column to what's new, and there will be the online exclusives. Or you can go to all products and pull up online exclusives alphabetically that way as well. And you will see the entire selection of new products. I hope you have a fun time shopping, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye bye.